Hey guys, be sure to buckle up as we dive into an electrifying episode with Muscle Cars with Eric, featuring the sensational sale of rare 1970 Mustang BOSS 429 Fastback that's sure to grab your attention, that was sold at the Mecum Auction in Glendale, Arizona a couple weeks ago. This automotive masterpiece, one of only 499 produced for the 1970 model year, commanded an astounding $330,000, a testament to its rarity and desirability among classic car enthusiasts. Witness the result of a comprehensive restoration that brought this muscle car back to its original glory, showcasing approximately 427 miles since completion. Marvel at the car's correct factory markings, its striking grabber blue paint, and the highly sought-after white decor bucket seats that define its interior. Under the hood lies the heart of this beast, a Boss 429 cubic inch 4-valve V8 engine rated at 375 horsepower, paired with a close ratio 4-speed manual transmission and a 3.91 traction lock axle ratio, ensuring an exhilarating driving experience. Equipped with power steering and power brakes to the front discs, this Mustang BOSS 429 combines performance with driving comfort. Join us here on Muscle Cars with Eric as we explore the legacy of this iconic muscle car, its auction journey, and what makes it a coveted piece of American automotive history. For more cool stuff, stick around here only on Muscle Cars with Eric.